The daily code snippet. To link within a web page, you are trying to jump from one section of the page to another section. In order to do this, we give sections unique identifiers, and we do this through the use of attributes. So we should take a step back and discuss the class attribute versus the ID attribute. Both class and ID attributes are used when you wish to target a particular element, and you can assign its value. The difference between is that class is used for something that may appear more than once, but ID is used for something that is more unique. Typically, if you have multiple sections on a web page, you would assign a unique ID identifier to each section, such as section 1, section 2, section 3, etc. An example of a class attribute may be that you have a different styling for the lead-in text for an article. So you can create a class called lead-in to which you will add a bold weight and a larger font size. Because you have more than one article, you may have more than one instance of lead-in text, and thus it would be more appropriate for you to have a class rather than ID, because this special styling is not unique. Here is an example of the code. You can see that sections 1 and 2 have ID attributes because they are unique, but the lead-in text has a class because it appears more than once. When trying to target an element with a unique ID, you would add a hashtag in front of the value. So hashtag section 1 to target the section with the ID equals section 1. And for a class, you will add a period. So in our example, to target the lead-in class of text, you would use period lead-in. So if you were to write out a link to go to another section further down the page, you would follow this convention. href equals hashtag name of the ID attribute on the page in quotation marks, link text, a closing tag. href hashtag section 3 in quotation marks, section 3, a closing tag. The example would move you to section 3 when you hit the link text. Presented by Designers Learn Code.